So my title for my part 2 is I didn't only came for one angel to volunteer, but the race of those angels that give siblings to people, and from the race of Adam and Eve. So for the situation of my surroundings in my family, because they have a good what's the characteristic if it's a movie in being against me, because that's meant to be for the awakening, for the healing, and to realize something, to see the messages. That's meant to be. If they will understand that soon, if they send these messages, they're meant to do this kind of action. To misunderstand me, to hate me, to give hatred, to give their pride and ego to, because how can a person get the messages if they won't do it? That's the part, that the hard thing that I accept move over and over again. That should I really experience those ones before seeing the messages over and over again? Because you cannot see the messages instantly. It's one by one. That's why I'm giving messages one by one also. That's your part as the chosen ones. That's the way you will elevate, and you have to understand. I already tackled who's the chosen ones that different from the others. The race of angel and human being. But you are scrambled to the race of human being, every family. In one family, there's one person that is different. The mother, the father, or the child. Or I can say, all of the family is good, but one child is hard-headed. Or all of the family is hard-headed, one is kind, empath. Two different kinds of family. That one person is different. So, the energy of that hard personals or person is the ones who betrayed God. So, if you observe that you're hard-headed, there's a chance always that accept reflection and repentance. Get the learning and the lesson. It's hard to do, but that's reality. I testimonially say also, that's the hardest part, especially if you're experiencing something against inside the family. Being the different chosen one. We are chosen, every one person of us, but there is more one different from us. Bigger one different from us. It depends if the person will accumulate the learning and lesson to gain the change. Because some people really are revolving hurt and hatred and always things of the emotional crisis, then the experiences that they experience from the very beginning until their age now. Maybe if not I'm not awakened, I would be one of them also. That always remember hurt and hatred of the pains and traumas. But once you were awakened, you will realize something that, I would not be strong if I would not experience this one and realize something. So you will differentiate a person who is accumulating learning to grow and not accumulating learning to grow, and will always revolve in hurt and hatred. That's why it adds ego and pride. We all have add ego and pride because we are hurt and feeling insecurities on something. But it depends if it's your hurting or insecurities is on truth or your hurt and hatred only. So, chosen ones, I'm sorry to say, we have to gain that more understanding, more patience. I know it's hard because I experienced it. Even though going to the extent that you want to hurt yourself, you want to end your life because of the situations that will happen. Because people doesn't understand. They will tell you, you're lying, you're deceiving, you're false. Because you are already automatically the whistle of God. Always remember that God is always with you. Always pray. Accept God in your life. Believe and have faith in Him with you. That you are doing your light together. Start to accept the truth to be the whistle and awaken everyone. I'm sorry, but the things that I can, because they will really project their disrespect in other pains and traumas, in other unbelief. That's just what you are blapping. If you are going to use Bible, just Bible. It didn't happen. There's no proof. And that's the proof, right? You still have to understand. Be patient. Control yourself. You can be angry. But remember not to hurt yourself and others. If others hurting you, never mind. Pray to God. If you went to argument on conflict, as long as only words, it can hurt, but sometimes we have to hurt others, we have to accept. If we are very concerned to that family, friend, neighbors, we have to do it to awaken them to the truth. As long as you don't hurt yourself in that person. If that person is hurting itself, sometimes, as long as that person doesn't hurt, it will break things, it will throw things in the conflict. Because that's a hurt and hatred. Still, we have to understand. Be patient, control. Because you know more better. Yes, it's so tiring. But strong energy will come within you as long as from the start that you accept the truth. To be a whistle of God through that truth. Don't when you started, don't add you can be hard-headed, he will understand, but don't add bad things, bad businesses, because if they know you have a good gift, or you can provide something big that can give income, right? Because we are revolving mostly in materialistic world. You have to weigh for you not to be misused, or don't use that gift, or else you will lose it, or the consequences will come. Another generational curse for your bloodline. And you know the consequences of beyond more after death. We always hear that lake of